Welcome to the Academic Skills and Knowledge, or ASK series, where you'll find information, tips and advice to help you succeed in your studies with us. In today's presentation, we'll discuss synthesis, what synthesizing means, and ways of bringing ideas together. What is synthesis? When you synthesize, you draw connections between ideas, bringing them together from different places to form something new. This could mean including ideas from more than one author and, depending on what kind of assignment you're writing, examples from your own experience. Synthesis of ideas is something you're expected to be able to do at postgraduate level. So why synthesize? Drawing relationships between different ideas adds breadth and depth to your writing. It could show that you have thought about the ideas instead of just accepting them on face value, and for this reason, synthesis is considered to be a branch of critical thinking. Successful synthesis could also demonstrate that you have read widely on the topic instead of relying on one source. How does synthesis work? You are looking to find the relationship between different ideas, so while reading, you should take notes, including your reactions, about other people's research methods and findings. As you read, you'll probably start to see connections between ideas and arguments, and you should color code these connections to make it easy to bring them together. Color coding could also help you get an overview of your topic, and so develop your own ideas. Remember, your own ideas are important, as you will use these as the basis of your writing, and only employ examples from your reading and experience in support. In short, when you plan your assignments and shared activities, it's essential to think about how ideas and experiences connect with others. When you can see those links and can talk about the connections, you're able to write a rich paragraph which brings those ideas together or synthesizes them. Here's a simple synthesized example paragraph. While Taylor's 2010 study suggests that the most challenging aspect of advanced study is the large amount of reading, Harvey's 2015 more comprehensive study takes this further and concludes that it is not the volume of the reading that is difficult, but what to do with what is read. In the same way, experience from my own higher education setting shows that students find it difficult to make connections between ideas and, as Young 2016 suggests, they need to be taught why making links is important. You can see that the theme of the paragraph is the most challenging aspect of advanced study, in pink. The writer acknowledges Taylor's results, but links these to Harvey's conclusion and implies that Harvey's ideas are more developed. The writer supports her agreement with Harvey with an example from her own experience, adding that a further writer, Young, is in agreement with this. This example paragraph is rich because it gives the writer's opinions. It shows she agrees with two authors, disagrees with another, draws connections between all of them, and adds her own experience to support her point of view. All of these elements combine to add weight to her argument and demonstrates that she has critically evaluated or questioned the available evidence and used them to form her own ideas. You may be wondering where synthesis needs to be applied. Synthesizing should be used in all of your writing, from discussion board activities to formal assignments. Of course, exactly what you include in your synthesis depends on the type of assignment you are writing and what you've been asked to write about. In a discussion setting, synthesis is likely to also include the ideas of your classroom colleagues. To conclude, synthesis, like all academic skills, takes practice, but it does get easier over time. Get into the habit of reading actively and thinking about how what you read connects with other ideas. Take notes which are grouped by these connections and use a mind map if this helps. Finally, look to see how other writers bring ideas and research together and see what you can learn from how they do it. Thanks for watching our presentation on synthesis. We hope you continue to enjoy the ASK series.